Hello, it's Andrew. I'm your guest cook today, and I'm so excited to make you some homemade cut ribeyes. What we have here is our prime rib roast, also known as rib roast. I just got done separating the ribs from the roast. Now, if you're doing a prime rib, you're gonna leave those ribs connected and season all the way in and then tie them back. But today, I'm making fresh home cut ribeyes. After you get done taking the ribs off, you're gonna set aside. I'm gonna cook those in the pan and do some au jus later. Now this marbling is okay. This is choice grade. And I'm gonna take off some of this. Even though that fat is flavored, there's still plenty. So I'm gonna do a little butchering here. But in a moment, I'm gonna slice these up into some beautiful ribeyes. All right, there's our ribeye ready to go. And by the way, the reason we're doing this, the holidays, these rib roasts get on sale for a lot of times 50% off. So I can get home fresh cut, and you know when it's fresh cut, you add into the flavor. Ribeyes ready to go in that cast iron skillet and on the barbecue for some finish. So if you can get a close-up here of the different colors here, this is the outside of the rib roast, and you can see the difference in color there. You're gonna be able to taste that difference. That's why we cut these at home and butcher them ourselves. And these are ready for some seasoning. We're going Costco garlic powder. It's the best stuff. Followed up with some salt.
Crushed Himalayan pink sea salt.
And some black pepper. You gotta go fresh. When you're spending that much money on a steak, you gotta go fresh cracked. And hit the other side.
It is actually snowing, but we are gonna get this started. It is the holidays, so Christmas time and snow. A side note, we are also doing a crab boil with some lemon butter garlic sauce.
And out we go to the cast iron skillet. All right, and in our skillet, we've got some unsalted butter, some garlic cloves, and some rosemary. And in go these ribeyes. Smell good, right?
Mm-hmm. That's fun. Woo!
There's those beautiful ribeyes. In 10 minutes, they'll be ready to slice up and enjoy with a great meal.